Dr. Huebner here. I'm here with William, and William is here 9 months after his surgery. And as you know, his original surgery day video is on our YouTube site. So when I saw William today, he's just calling from Mississippi, and his hair, it just blew me away. I mean, you can see now he's got half a forehead that he had before. He's got a solid hairline. He was saying just before we started the video that his, in pictures and everything else, it's just his profile is completely different. He feels a lot more confident in terms of that. But William, from your mouth, tell us how your life's been and what you think of your results so far.
Everything has been going great. It started growing like really fast around the 6th, 7th, 8th month. And like I said, it's just completely filled in. It's thick. You can see the hair. I have my original curls back. All my pictures look perfect now. And I'm starting to see my likes on my social media accounts go back up. So, I don't look like an old man anymore.
Right.
Bald looking.
You look your age. You look your age now. Yes, exactly.
I look like a 32-year-old male.
And the nice thing to know is that this hair will be there the rest of your life. You will always have this hairline. You will always have this profile from now on. And as you know, every time we do a procedure, we're looking to do about 30 to 40%. So it's not going to be as thick as the hair was back when you were in high school. But this is a huge start. Now, if you ever wanted more, you can get some more through the center and through the crown. And after a year, he can make that decision. But even if he never had another surgery, this is a huge improvement in terms of how he looks and how he feels. So, any issues at all with, does it look natural? Is it, do you feel comfortable going out now with?
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely. I try to make it where people can see the incisions and they can never find them. So I mean,
awesome.
Everything about the surgery was just awesome. So
fantastic.
I urge everybody to definitely give you a try.
Yes.
And
awesome.
They're going to like it.
And you don't even have your final result yet. So the final result's at 1 year. So you may improve a little bit more in terms of density over the next 3 to 4 months. So we'll do a 1 year follow-up. But thank you so much, William, and looking forward to seeing your final result. Thanks again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You got it. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.